Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, I am Wanjiku, who does content based on living in a single room and here in Nairobi at large. Okay, so right now I want to go and do the errands that I was supposed to do today. I have a to-do list that I wrote yesterday. So the first one was to fetch water. I haven't done that. Pray and read the Bible. Bado. Clean utensils in the house. I have already done that. Take a bath. Bado. Post a video. Yes, I've already posted a video right now. So yeah, if you are seeing this one before the other one, please do go and watch. Unboxing my fridge. Clean the fridge. I want to do that after I'm done doing the grocery shopping and at least stock shopping. For the first time, I want to stock my fridge, so CV to mob ata. CV to mob. So let's do that. But we have to go first uko Ungwaro because I'm going to shop at Kawangware. It's more affordable. So yeah, mtenda Kawangware. I shop there, then I come back and clean the fridge. No nichote maji, ni clean the fridge. I stock up. So guys, before I leave the house, yesterday night nilienda kununua maziwa and I thought why not pick 1, 2, 3 things from our mini supermarket hapa nje, but it's a little bit expensive because we can't access the other ones. Like itu ndo iko hapa, sika Kawangware whereby you can get one mini supermarket ukiteremka pale another one. This one it's the only one that iko hapa, so things zake zinakuanga, the prices is always a little bit high, but I picked 1 or 2, 3 things nataka kuonyesha. So I picked these 2 yogurts ya chocolate and then a small one for strawberry. I'm not a fan of strawberry by the way. Nikachukua hii hapa, this Savannah Cocoa Pine and Fanta Black Currant. Smokies pia nilichukua na zimesha melt. Nilizichukua. Maziwa lala. So if you are living alone, let me give you a trick. Always have maziwa lala next to you, or ukitoka tu umefeel umechoka, unatoka uko job, just pass by ile ya packet inakuanga 65 bob. No kwetu naunga, you can just make it and imagine it will save you a lot because kulala njaa it's not that easy. Nilichukua hapo this rice 1 kg 155 shillings. You see maziwa pia nimebakisha hii hapa, so I want to cook this one tonight. And this one is mafuta. So that's what I picked yesterday. Okay, it was last week venye nililetewa fridge nikaenda Ungwaro kutafuta nguo ya burial. It was so painful to the point of sikununua nguo. Yeah, so nilipitia golden prize, niliwaonyesha that spot. Imagine all of these papers, they were going, these storage bags, they were going for 200 shillings, isn't medium ones. Then the bigger ones, they are going for 250 shillings. Sijui ziko ngapi ndani. 200 na ni mob. So imagine you can just like prepare your minji, maragwe, ndengu, you store it here na unaweka kwa fridge because space bado it's not that big ya kuweka dishes. Or you can, ukibakisha tu leftovers za mboga, you can just put them here na unaweka hapo ndani and it's washable. Yeah, you can reuse it. I'm just plugging you. Mkizitaka mniambie, I can buy it for you, nikutumanishie ulipie to delivery, ama kwenye napatana naenda tao, you tell me, I bring for you. But yeah, 200 shillings na ni mob. Ni mob. Just look. Then the bigger ones ni 250. Imagine it's worth it.